Hi, my name is Casey with Brick by Brick Wealth. If you're looking to get pre-qualified for a conventional loan, or you want to talk to a hard money lender about getting initial financing so you can compete with all cash buyers with an all cash offer and also get your repairs financed, then you are in the right place. This free download is a list of lender questions you will really want to get answered, whether you'll be talking to a traditional bank like Wells Fargo or Chase or a hard money lender. If you've been putting off calling lenders because you aren't sure what to ask, look no further. See, loan officers and hard money lenders typically only answer the questions that you ask. So if you fail to ask the right questions, you won't get all the necessary answers to make an informed decision before you work with them. Please don't get caught off guard by all the extra fees and download this fill in the blank lender question sheet below. And hey, if you have your down payment ready to go and you're ready to buy your first rental property, but you are unsure what steps to take, what market to look into, what a profitable rental property even looks like, and maybe you'd like some handholding to make sure you don't make any big financial mistakes with your first investment purchase, head over to my website, brickbybrickwealth.com, and apply today for my one-on-one coaching program, Success with Rental Properties. Congratulations for taking an action step today and getting closer to your real estate goals. I hope you find this letter question sheet really valuable, and I really hope to work with you soon one-on-one.